Hello students, you have studied the first part of Gift of Chappal. Now today we will study our second part. In the second part, after the screeching sound, if you remember at the end of the first part, now they were very curious to know from where this sound is coming, especially the mirdu, to see how the lali was playing the violin and also how the master is playing violin. So, three of them was looking or peeping. Peeping means looking through the window. When they peeped through the window, they saw that Lali was holding the violin avidly because Lali is just learning how to play the violin. She is not a professional player. This picture describes that how Lali was holding the violin. Actually, her elbow getting out means coming out, but her eyes glaze with concentration means she is doing her best to learn how to play the violin. She was learning violin very carefully, but as she was new, the voice is not coming properly. Now, the description about the music master. You can see the appearance of the music master. He was mostly black. Black means he is not having the hair on his head, but somewhat little hairs at the top of the ears and having a small fringe. Fringe means pony, like a pandit is having. You have seen in the mandir or somewhere else like that the pandit is having a small fringe. That fringe was oiled, black hair falling around his ears, and he was wearing an old-fashioned tuff. Means that dupatta like something that the pandit used to wear. He was also wearing diamond ring and gold chain. You can see in the picture. He played a few notes, but Lali's termed means failed to play like a music master because he was because she was just playing to play. So when they were peeping, they heard some voice. That voice is coming from a far away. That Amma, Amma came a wail. Wail means cried from the gate. That means that voice is coming from the gate. Someone is crying and again saying Amma, oh Amma. Amma means when any beggar or someone came to our house, he used to call like this. One beggar was crying from the gate. So, Ravi was asked to send the beggar away. Pati explained Tapi that beggar has been coming here every day. That means that beggar is coming every day to Ravi's house and his mother used to give him something, and this day also he came. So, Pati explained Tapi that beggar has been coming here every day the past week. So she don't want beggar in the house as they was giving him food, water, etc. to feed. When Ravi was going out to the beggar, Mridu and Meena also followed him. You can see in the picture. But when they reached the gate to tell the beggar to go away, they saw that the beggar made him comfortable in the garden and taking rest in the lawn. That means that beggar was very tired and he was just resting in the lawn. Ravi asked him to go away, but the beggar pleaded again and again. Pleaded means requesting. Again and again, Amma, oh Amma. He is not aware what Ravi is saying. He was just saying, Amma, Amma. While listening this, Rukumani replied to Ravi, tell him to go away. There is nothing left in the kitchen. Because he don't want to give anything to the beggar, because if she will give, again the beggar will come next day. So she want to stop all these things. So he's just say. But she was so loud that the beggar heard heard all things said by the Rukumani. So he said, wearily. Wearily means tiredly. That means the beggar was very tired. I will go. I will go. Don't worry, I will go. I am very tired. So let me rest here under the tree. He say that the sun is so hot. That means that was a summer afternoon and the sun was very hot. बहुत गर्मी थी. The tar has melted on the road. What does it mean? That means due to the heat of the sun, and our road is made up of tar that was just melted because of the temperature. My feet are already blistered. Blisters means that chale ho jana because of that sun. He was walking on the road and his feet were blistered, as he was not having any footwear to wear. And he shows his blisters to the children. They were very reddish and brown. Now all the children were very emotional. They get very attached to the beggar ki dekho usko kaisa ho gaya. Now what happened? These children were feeling very sad that now he will go out in the hot summer and his feet were already having the blisters. So how he will go out? So see what happened next. Now see what happened next. Now Mridul whispered something to Ravi and Meena, that he had no money to buy the chappal. So we have to do something. And also he having blistered. So Ravi said, let's go inside the house and search for some chappal. So first Ravi thought that he can give his chappal to the beggar, but soon he realized that his slippers were too small for the beggar. So they start searching for the chappals which he can give to the beggar. Suddenly, Mridul reminded that about those black slippers. Remember, student, which we talked in the beginning of first part, when the Mridul was taking off its slippers, he saw some black, dirty, grey slipper. So he just she just remembered that black slipper. So they gave those slippers to the beggar, and they were feeling very happy that they have helped somebody. When music master finished the class and he was going to his home, he was looking after his slipper and he is not finding his slipper, and asked Lali, where is my slipper? And saw where is my slipper? They were just searching, but master saw that 3 children were just playing under the tree. They are just bothered about what the master is searching. He asked the children again and again about the chappal and start telling that they were very expensive. That chappal was very expensive. The brand is very new. And he went all way to Mount Road to buy them. And they are searching the slipper. So Lali went inside to call Rukumani and told about all the thing, and that the master is searching for his slipper. His slipper was not there where he has kept the slipper. Suddenly Pati come and said that so many vendors come to the door, so maybe they have taken your slippers. Now what happened? Now the children understood whose slipper was that which they have given to the beggar. Yes, you are right. The slipper belongs to music master only, which they have given to the beggar. All of them were searching for the chappals, but Rukumani saw that 3 of them, means Mridu, Meena and Ravi, were sitting under the tree. Means they are not having any type of expression that something is lost and we have to search. They were just sitting under the tree. The Rukumani think that something is wrong. So she asks them, have you seen Master's slipper? So here what happened? Mridu was a guest. So when Rukumani asked them, Mridu was little feared because she was very innocent. She shivered and told Rukumani that they have given that chappal to the beggar. Like any other mother like your, Rukumani was now very annoyed, very angry that how you have given others chappal to somebody else. If you want to give something, you should give yours. Then why you have given some others chappal to someone? Three of them were thinking that if you have seen the blister of the beggar, then they feel how much pain that beggar is having. So now when Rukumani was scolding, Ravi gave the example of Karn. It is a boy, but Rukumani explained. He just said that how Karan used to give things to other and everyone is praising him. In the same way I have given that thing to other, then why you are scolding me? Then Rukumani explained that Karn gave his own thing to the others, not the others' thing. If you want to help other, you have to give his own thing, your own thing, not the others. Ravi explained that I want to give my chappal only, but it was too small for the beggar, so I think that it was correct to give that worn out chappal to beggar. Now Rukumani was very angry. She just said Ravi to go inside. Now what happened? Rukumani was thinking what to do. Whose slipper should she give to the master? So she go inside and brought Gopu Mama's chappal. That chappal was hardly worn. That means hardly used. It was branded new. And give this chappal to music master. Now, music master was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because his chappal was just torn out, worn out, means purani, gandhi thi. But now he got a new brand chappal. His face was glittering, but he don't want to show his expression to the others that he was very happy. But from inside, he was very, very happy that in place of old chappal, I got a new one. So, I hope that you understand this story. See the video again and again, and now you got the book, so read the story from the book. In later on, in next session we will do the question answer. Keep enjoying.